Young engineers training for digital skills to set an enterprise and begin entrepreneurial career. Dr. Mahajan, eminent professor and researcher, conducted a workshop on rural area multidisciplinary startups at Krishna Engineering College, Bhilai on September 19, 2022. Managing Director, KEC, Bhilai, Mr. Vijay Merrill inaugurated the workshop. In welcome address he stressed upon serious unemployment problem prevailing in the country. He said, this workshop at Krishna Engineering College would bring awareness of entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship is the need of the time for all students studying in the college in different disciplines. Therefore, it is open to all engineering branches as well as students pursuing science and commerce degree program. I am sure all young engineers present over here will find this workshop useful to begin their career. In the keynote address he explicitly informed the students that in near future getting government jobs is difficult, even if someone qualifies in competitive examinations like UPSC, IAS, GATE, and so on, after 4 to 5 attempts. It is because at present all government sectors surplus employees are already working. The revenue generated from tax policies is not sufficient to meet their salary burden. Further tax increase will be suicidal for the government. Therefore, it is time to learn digital skills and begin entrepreneurial career. Dr. Mahajan appreciated the management for hosting the workshop to create entrepreneurship environment in college campus to overcome unemployment problem. In the workshop following points were given emphasis. 1. Need to change mindset of the graduates in view of real picture of unemployment prevailing in the country. 2. The students were given practical demonstration to identify the startup by playing brainstorming activity out of several ideas listed in the beginning. 3. After analyzing by SWOT method, final startup are identified by the students for their future career. Proposed new rural area startups franchise models are: a digital land survey equipment in-house production in view of technology change. B. Digital land surveyor training. C. Setting village welfare digital skills training center for following services. D. School students math lab practical exposure. E. Preparing math lab tutors. F. Crop care methods. G. Do mechanics, water quality tests for consumptive uses distribution system. H. Developing new soft apps for use with DLS equipment, school math lab activities and problem solving, and DOSAG modeling. Projected outcome of the workshop. 1. There is need to restructure the placement cell with rename as Krishna Entrepreneurship Lab. The domain of working is shown in the activity flow diagram. It implies that KEC management should launch first Krishna Entrepreneurship Lab of the country and become the role model for other educational institutions. 2. In today's workshop 30 final semester students have been selected for commissioning their own enterprise for which management will arrange expert guidance time to time. Thus, humble beginning of Krishna Entrepreneurship Lab is envisaged. 3. The success of the workshop provokes other institutes to set the Entrepreneurship Lab on the lines of KEC and create entrepreneurship environment in their campus.